Hey guys, welcome to our live broadcast, and this is China New Angel Group. Today is a big event day because we are starting our special training online for our old customers to express our thanks for your continuous order support and trust. We especially take the first day of each month as our training day for old customers. So no matter you have our machines or you are buying our machines or you are interested in our machines, you can follow us. And in future first day of each month, please come to this online training, and you can get all your answers you want about our machines. Today we are starting with this high-end, high EMS machine as a beginning because it is the top advanced and top selling of our machines. And let's get started. And you can you can see this machine is different from normal high-end machine. It's white design, elegant and simple, and the handles are upgraded with different color. It's gray, upgraded from the white color to gray color now. So from the whole appearance, you can find it with more technology feeling, and you can see the machine from all angles. And okay, we can it's coming with 4 handles, 2 curve handles for arms for size, and 2 flat handles for belly, for hips. And you can see this special part is black, and this is our patent design. This part is specially for EMS energy delivery. And this machine, it is special because it combines 2 energy in one. The EMT energy and the EMS energy. The EMT, it stands for the high-end, the high-intensity focused magnetic technology. This is commonly used on all kinds of arm sculpting machine, and it's mainly for muscle stimulating and muscle building. And the EMS, it stands for electricity muscles stimulation. It is a kind of micro frequency, and it's better for tighten skin as well as building muscles. And so this is the main working theory of this machine. And some people may pay attention to the radio frequency and the EMS. What is their difference? And this EMS is upgraded based on the radio frequency, and it's more healthier. It's more healthy for human body. So now let's turn the machine on so you can see more details of the machine. On the machine back, there is the general button. You can turn it on, and for this part, we can add your screen logo for free. And the first step is to input the password. And for this machine, you don't need to worry about the operating because it's simple with the intelligent software. There are 2 different treatment modes. The first mode is auto mode, and the second is manual mode. Auto mode is for those who are just to get start to use this machine, who are not very familiar with this machine. And you can see with this mode, you just need to choose the gender of the client, the age range of the client, and which body part you are going to treat. And please pay attention to this part. There are two modes for EMS treatment, M1 and M2. M1 is, it stands for delivering the EMS first, then the high-end energy. And the M2 mode, it stands for the EMT and EMS working at the same time. And this mode is only, these two modes will appear only in the auto mode. And we go to next part. When the parameters set it well, we come to this interface. You just need to choose which handles you are using. The handle A1, A2, and each two handles will work together, and the frequency of the handles and the intensity of the handles. As a beginning, we suggest you start from 30 to 50. It's enough, and you can higher it or lower it according to the client's acceptance. And second, the EMS intensity. Then you can start the treatment. Next, we for this introduction part, if you have any question, you can just leave your question on the page. On the page you are watching this training. And next, we will welcome our model and our esthetician to do the treatment step by step, so you can see it more clear. Okay, today we will first do the treatment on the model waist, on the belly, for some skinny girls, we sometimes one handle is enough. And for some stronger men, two handles is okay. And we need to fix the handles with the black belts coming with the machine. And at the same time, you can do the treatment on arms to sculpt the biceps and triceps. And you can see how to fix these two curved handles on arms or on sides. Use the thin black belts. Put the handle under arms or sides. We put the other handle on lower legs. For those who just start the treatment for the first time, we can choose the auto mode. And we try 60% for the intensity first, and 5 for the EMS. Okay, both. If the client can accept, we higher the intensity to 100%. If you see closer, you can see the muscles are stretching strongly. Okay. We can stop
one
here.
customer asked, is it supported to be this long?
Okay, we just got a question here, and someone asked us if the working noise is okay, and if we tested the working noise based on human health, and this machine there is the discussion, the cooling work, so the working voice is normal. And for this working voice, is within human health range, and this machine need cooling, need air cooling, so to ensure it's working and to deliver a good result. So the working voice is normal and is within human health range. And this machine uses air cooling system to ensure it can work more than 24 hours without stop.
Hi Steven, the Pro 2 works the same as this one. But the Pro 2 you bought is the water cooling, and this one, the one we are showing is 400 air cooling.
Yeah. Yes. For our high-end machines, high-end Pro 2 was an old model. It used the air cooling and the water cooling dual system. So this machine is upgraded with pure air cooling, and air cooling is the most advanced in the world market now, and it can ensure the machine working more than 24 hours non-stop. And but air cooling system, it works less time. This is the only difference.
We'll show you how is it working with EMS function.
Okay, to show the different working theory of this machine, it with the EMS energy, we this black part is especially for EMS energy delivery, and to show the EMS energy, the best way to find it is to put some water on the body part, and then you use the EMS treatment, so you can see the difference. Can you tell us your feeling with the EMS energy?
A feeling of like the muscle is beating and the needle is hitting my skin.
Can you feel the heat?
Yes, there any heat? Yes, a little heat, and my muscle is jumping.
Okay. We asked our model the treatment feeling. There is a kind of feeling like small needles on the skin, and she feels her core muscles are stretching strongly. And with the EMS, she can feel feeling like sticking and like needles, but no pain or special feeling. We just got a question now. A customer asks if we need to put some clothes with this treatment. With the EMT treatment, you can do it with a thin cloth like a T-shirt, and with the EMS, we suggest you directly put the handle on skin with no clothes on. That will be better. About the machine or about the treatment, you can leave your questions on the bottom of the screen. We can ask you right now. About the treatment session, it is suggested 2 to 3 treatments 1 week with 2 to 3 days apart. So 1 week, 2 to 3 treatments with 2 to 3 days apart, and 4 treatment is a session. Clients can get an amazing result. The same with fitness with 6 months time. And about the treatment or about the operating of the machine, you don't need to worry, except this online training. We can offer you training by video, face-to-face, anytime. And we will offer you the treatment parameter sheet for your reference. From the big screen, you can see the parameters suggested for different body parts, for different gender. Of each month, we will offer online training. Or if you are interested in any other machine, you can give us some suggestion, and next time we will train the machine. And for this machine, there are some forbidden group, like clients with metal implanted in body, and like who have heart disease, and patients with higher sensitivity mental disease. Patients with no independent expression, consciousness, and cannot take care of themselves. Patients with metal materials in body, pregnant women. And we have customers who asked us before that if they have some metal implant. For example, if one have metal implant inside their knees, can they do the treatment on hips? That's no problem. And today we will offer training for 3 machines. This is the first high EMS machine, and next we will have hive machine and dye laser for hair removal training. So about operating of every machine, So this is generally about this EMS machine treatment and operating. And after the treatment, we suggest clients drink a lot of water because their muscles consumed a lot of water. So drinking some water is better, and do not eat a lot. If you combine it with a healthy diet, the result will be much faster and much better. And your treatment results will keep a very long time and even lifetime. And about this machine operating, we have a detailed user manual, operating videos step by step to guide you, and this online training every month. So you don't need to worry about the machine operating. And any question, just feel free to contact us anytime. So this is the machine operating. For this machine introduction, next we will introduce the 3D Hive, our star product. 3D Hive for wrinkles removal and body slimming machine. So don't leave.